This video was made especially for beginners, especially for my friend Charlie. In this video, I do grafting with flat grafting technique, prepare the tools and materials, the main tree, ends of different types, a sharp knife and sterile grafting plastic. First step, cut the rootstock. For the flat grafting technique, the cut must be flat. Second, prepare the enters. Cut flat by leaving 1 to 3 bud eyes. Third, attach the enters to the rootstock. If the cuts are both flat, they will stick well without gaps. Fourth, tie the connection. The ties should not be too tight so as not to damage the enters, but not too weak so that the connection does not come loose. Since we are using the flat grafting technique here, without additional hoods, when tying, the grafting plastic should wrap around the entire enters and a small part of the rootstock. This is so that no outside air enters, no water and other things can interfere with the connection. All the process has been completed. Now place the tree in a shady and dry place. The tree should not be watered too much. Just wet it when the growing medium is completely dry to avoid rotting of the joints. If you found this video useful, please share this video.